Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to check the XBOSS Oasis, a USB dongle which is going to enable you to wirelessly control your flight simulators. In this quick video I'm going to go over its features and specs and show you how to use it. First of all, in terms of packaging, inside the box you can find the USB dongle which is connected to a radio receiver according to your preference. The available options are AC900, a radio receiver which is compatible with both Futaba and FrSky D16 protocols, DSM2, RX2A Pro which is compatible with FlySky transmitters, and you can also get a version which is not bundled with a radio receiver. In addition, you are also getting the user manual according to the radio receiver that you've got, 2 plastic cases, a bigger one for accommodating the radio receiver along with the dongle, and one just for the dongle, a bag with screws for assembling them, and finally 2 types of stickers for decorating the plastic cases. In terms of specs, the Oasis dongle is a plug-and-play device. It is compatible with both Mac and PC computers without having the need to install an additional driver, and while it was recognized by my Android device when using it with an OTG adapter, I just couldn't get it to work with any of the Android-based flight simulators that I've tried. Now, in case you're getting a version which is bundled with a radio receiver, it is going to be pre-soldered to the adapter. As for its interface, on one end you can find a USB connector which you are going to plug to your computer. On its top side you can find ground, 5V and XBOSS pads, and on its other side 3.3V and PPM pads. On the top side of the module you can also find an LED which indicates its status. When it is flashing in the following manner, it indicates that the module is not communicating properly with the device which it is connected to, and flashing in the following manner indicates that the module is working properly. You should note that in case you have the AC900 receiver, out of the box it is going to be set to Futaba protocol. In case you would like to switch between FrSky D16 and Futaba protocols, you will need to power up the receiver and press the bind button which is located over here for 3 seconds. The protocol switch is going to be confirmed once the green LED flashes once. Now, in order to enter bind mode, press the bind button while powering up the receiver. Now, as you can see, the LED is rapidly flashing, indicating that the receiver is in binding mode, and after putting the transmitter on FrSky D16 mode and hitting the bind button, as you can see, the LED turns solid red, indicating that the receiver was successfully bound, and now when the receiver is bound to the radio controller, you can see that the LED is green, and if I'm going to turn off the radio controller, the LED is going to turn red solid, indicating that the communication with the radio controller was lost. Now once the radio receiver is successfully bound to the radio controller, we can put it along with the module inside the case, secure it using the provided screws, cover the screws using these 2 plastic parts, and finally, in case you would like to add some color, use the provided stickers. Now after launching Liftoff Flight Simulator on my Mac computer, I can connect the dongle, and as you can see, it was recognized as Oasis Wireless FPV Racing Simulator. Now we need to go through the calibration procedure. As you can see though, after finishing the calibration, the yaw is reversed, so in order to fix it, we need to head over to Fine Tune and invert the yaw axis. Now we can hit save, and as you can see, the sticks are now working properly, and I can wirelessly control the flight simulator. In addition, after testing out the Oasis module using Liftoff, I also tested it using Velocidrone, and I can confirm that it is working as well. So overall, in case you would like to wirelessly control your flight simulator using your radio controller, or maybe you want to control it but you can't simply connect it using a USB cable, this is a very elegant solution, which is more versatile than the one which is offered by FrSky, which is limited to FrSky D16 protocol. Anyway, that's going to be it for this quick video, and as always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notifications bell if you're not already subscribed. See you on my next videos, and goodbye.